Hi class 6. I'm back with which subject today? I'm going to take your value education. Okay. So let's start the class. We'll start with the first chapter. Before that, let me just share something with you and talk to you. Tell me one thing. When your brother is ill, what are you going to do? Are you going to ask him, how are you? Do you need any help? How can I help you out? Or say when mama does so many works together, then do you come forward and ask her, mama, do you need any help? Can I help you out? Or give me something I can also do along with you. How can you be caring, children? Say suppose if you give your old books, clothes to the poor people, one way of showing your affection towards them. Or when your grandparents, they are alone, those moments, do you spend sometimes with them? If yes, I'm sure, or I would really say that you are a caring person. So we have already started with the first chapter called being caring. Now, what do you mean by this term being caring? If I say to look after, to feel strongly about someone, to feel concerned about other people, we often say we need more caring society. Our society, we often say this, that we need a caring society. Now just think what's happening recently. Now you see the soldiers, doctors, nurses working for the safety and security of us, right? For the citizen, they are doing it. What's the aim? What's the reason behind it? Why they are doing so? Because they want to make us happy, right? So that we be safe. In this way, they are taking care. Now, let me ask you, as you are children experiencing love, warmth, care of many people, right? How do you feel about those persons who are giving you all love? How do you feel? I'm sure you long to stay with that person. There are many occasions in our life, through others' gestures, actions, words, they show their love towards us. They tell us how they care about us. They really feel happy about all those who care. You also feel happy, when sometimes you see your friends, your parents, they care about you, right? They try to help you out when you are in trouble. So it's all about how you accept that person. Now, I know all of you are caring persons. You really feel happy when you share your study materials with your companion. And you really feel when somebody is absent for some other reason, they are not coming to school, you want to help them. You do that. We know it very well. So that is all about caring. That means you have in yourself a feeling for others, right? You have a quality in you, that is, you feel for others. You want others to grow in knowledge, wisdom. You want others to be happy and loving person. Thus, you help others always. And I know my class 6 students, they are always helpful and they are always caring, right? Now, let me ask you, will you help someone whom you don't like? Are you going to help that person whom you don't like? I would say you need to help that person, or rather I should say that you are going to help that person. You must help that person. they might have caused pain. They might have caused you pain or made you upset. But you being DPSJ students should not have an attitude of anger. You should always help each other, your friends, your family members, or whoever is in need of help, right? I know you are a forgiving child. So you should think of the welfare of the companion. You should never be selfish. DPSJ students should never be selfish. You should be happy for the improvement of your friends. Always a DPSJ student should think of others' welfare. Right, DPSJ students? Good. Your improvement and your friends' good qualities should make this world a better place to live in. If anyone says you are selfish, for example, can I ask this to Angela? If by chance somebody tells you that you are selfish, what will you do? First of all, you should look in your own self. Then you need to find out any changes you need to do, any correction you need to do, please do it. But if you see no change needed, if you are finding yourself not selfish, be proud of yourself. So let us become aware. I am special. I have caring attitude which gives me so many friends and well-wishers. You should be proud of yourself. I become aware that I am a kind and generous person when I don't find any fault in me, within me. I myself really feel proud of me that I have the power to make others happy. Maybe my family members, my classmates, my companions, the society I live in, but I should be proud of myself. Just think of someone who has devoted entire life to others and make difference in this world. So they are very special, right? You become aware that your small act of kindness can bring smile to many. So you should have that act of kindness within you. So here we come to the end of this chapter where we learn about being caring. I hope all my students are like this, right? Yes, our DPSJ students are really very much caring towards friends, family and whoever needs that, right? Now I would like to talk to your parents. Can I? Okay. I would request parents to share stories of how certain people have touched your life and how you cannot forget their act of kindness. Share it with them, with your child. Appreciate your child when you see your child being kind and generous and caring to someone. As a family, sign up for community voluntary service. Finally, you be the good role model for your child. Remember, your child learns by watching you, hearing you, and sometimes by overhearing you. So you try to be the role model for them. Here we end up the chapter. Again, I'm going to come with the question answers. If you have any difficulty regarding the chapter, do write to me. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye, class 6.